Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up Webhook inside RepairShopr. So RepairShopr is a cloud-based software platform designed for repair shops and field services especially. It helps businesses to manage their operations more efficiently by combining various tools for businesses and features like customer relationship management, invoicing, ticket management, inventory management, communication tools all in one place. The key and amazing features of RepairShopr are its ticket management, inventory management, and also it provides email marketing and customer feedback collection tools. So here, if you are using RepairShopr as your marketing tool, then this video is specially for you, because here I'm going to show you that how by simply setting up a connection between your RepairShopr account and Pabbly Connect, you can automate the entire tasks which are involved in managing your customers, your tickets, your issues, your clients, leads, etc. So let's get started quickly. Here we are going to set up a webhook inside RepairShopr for building this connection. Webhook acts as a bridge for setting up connection between multiple applications and for transferring the data from one application towards another on the happening of a specific event, that too automatically. So we are going to set up Webhook inside RepairShopr to build this connection and to automate our process. Let's get started. Before that, you can see on my screen there are two windows. First is a trigger over here and the second is action. Now what are trigger and action? To build a perfect automation, these two act as a principles, or we can say these two act as a building blocks on which the entire automation works. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. So whatever application you are using as your trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and further you can add action applications. They are going to follow what the trigger has commanded. Okay, so here let's suppose I run a quick fix phones, which is a local repair shop, and also I run it online. So I want to increase my customer and client base by generating leads through a website which I have created and also from social media channels. Now to generate these leads for my business, I am using RepairShop. I have created a lead gen form and the issue form with the help of RepairShop, which I've attached in my website and on my social media applications. Now, whenever a client is going to visit my website, they are going to visit my social media channels and they are going to submit this form related to their issues. That person will be added in my RepairShopr, which is acting as my CRM as well as a lead, so that I can further communicate with these clients and then I will be able to add them as my customers. Okay, and I am going to automate this entire process. How? By setting up a connection between RepairShopr and Pabbly Connect with the help of Webhook. So let's suppose I'm going to take RepairShopr in my trigger and I'm going to take, let's suppose, WhatsApp in my action step, and I want that as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead through RepairShopr through this form submission, then I want to send a confirmation message to that lead that I've received their query, and we are going to soon resolve this query by contacting them further. So here for that I will have to set up the connection between these applications, and when we will do that, we will clearly see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands, because when the trigger happens, that means when the lead is generated through RepairShopr, then only a WhatsApp message will be sent to that lead, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us quickly start connecting RepairShopr and Pabbly Connect with the help of Webhook. So over here, in order to start this workflow, we have to go towards our trigger step and we have to select our application. So we'll simply select our trigger application, and that will be RepairShopr. After selecting the application, now it's time to select the trigger event. Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger or it is going to start. You can see we have list of events over here. New customer, new invoice, new lead, new payment, ticket resolved, new ticket, ticket status change, and etc. So on the happening of whichever event you want to capture the response inside Pabbly Connect, you can select that specific event according to your choice over here. Let's suppose I want that whenever a lead will be generated in my RepairShopr account, I want to capture the response of that lead over here. So as we've selected the trigger event, now we have to set up the connection between RepairShopr and Pabbly Connect. And to do that, as I told you, that we are going to insert the webhook URL. So we have received that webhook URL which we have to insert inside RepairShopr account. And how we are going to insert this? For that, we have received the instructions as well. So we just have to follow these instructions given over here step by step carefully to set up this connection with the help of the webhook URL, because this URL is going to act as a bridge over here. It is going to transfer the data of new leads from RepairShopr towards Pabbly Connect that too instantly every time. Okay, so in the similar manner, here I have taken the example of new lead, but whichever event you are going to select, this webhook URL is going to transfer the data of that event inside Pabbly Connect. So let's copy this webhook URL, and then I'm going to tell you exactly what we are supposed to do. So it is saying in the instructions that you need to first of all log into your RepairShopr account. I have already done that, so I'm going to take you over there. So this is my RepairShopr account, and now what you have to do, you have to go towards the admin section given on top. So we'll select that. Then from the left side over here, we have the option of notification center, which we have to select. And over here, we have to click on new notification set. So we are going to set up a new notification over here by giving a name to it. So here I'm going to first of all give a name. Let's suppose new lead. So for whichever reason you are setting up the connection, you can give the name according to that. Then we just have to scroll down in the webhook URL field. We have to paste the URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. Then over here we have multiple events. So you have to select your specific event on the happening of which you want to transfer the response towards webhook. So my objective is that whenever a lead will be created, I want to transfer the response towards webhook. So here we will go towards the lead created section, and in the webhook field, in the webhook checkbox, we will select it. Okay, as we have done that, now we'll scroll down simply and we will click on create notification set. And with this, we can see that our webhook is set up successfully. We'll go back towards Pabbly Connect. It is showing waiting for webhook response. This means that now we have to do a test submission. And how we are going to do that? By simply creating a new lead through the form submission in RepairShopr. So this is the form which I have created for generating the leads, and I've attached it on my website and my social media platforms. So I will simply enter the information related to a new lead in this particular form to submit it. Let's start with the name. Let's say the name of the lead who is submitting this form is Smart, and let's say the last name of this lead is Lead. Okay, then I'm going to enter a random phone number, let's say, then a random email address, smartlead90@pabblyconnect.com, and now I'm going to click on get started. So when we have submitted the details of the lead, now it is asking us what kind of query you want to submit, what kind of problem are you facing. So over here I'm going to select the issue type. Let's say I'm going to give software as my issue type. Then I'm going to enter a subject over here. Let's suppose this is the subject, Samsung Galaxy S21 battery issue, and now I'm going to enter a detailed description over here. Battery drains quickly, needs a replacement. So this is, let's say, the issue of the client who is submitting this response. Now I'm going to click on submit to submit this form, and the form is submitted. And over here in Pabbly Connect, we can see that the response is captured. So in this response, we have received a message that you got a new lead. This is basically a lead alert. Here we have received the form URL. Over here, we'll scroll down, we have received the date and time of the form submission. Over here, we have the same subject of the issue which we have entered in the form. And we have the ticket problem type, that is software related issue. We have the entire description. Then when we'll scroll down, here we have the phone number of the lead, the first name, the last name of the lead. Here we have received the email, and this is the same email which we have entered in the form. And over here we have received the date and time at which the lead is generated. This means that the connection between RepairShopr and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. Now I will take you towards the lead section of RepairShopr as well, and we'll refresh this page once. And you can see that the lead is added over here. This means that the connection is absolutely successful. So this means that our trigger step is successfully set up. Once we have set up this connection, now further, according to your choice, you can add as many action steps in this workflow to automatically transfer the response which you have received in the form of new lead towards any other application. And in this way, you will be able to automate your task. So I hope this connection is helpful for you. Thank you for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such applications without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also please like our video and subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.